Just some lads playing in a quiet street in Hanoi. Except this is no ordinary street. This is Train Street, where a car doesn't use it, but the train does. And Katie and I are waiting here patiently, along with a zillion and one scooters, for the appearance of this train, which should be at any time really from after 7 o'clock, and it has just turned 7 o'clock. So this lady's got the fun task of closing off the road before the train arrives, and it is due because she suddenly appeared. Well, hey, so we've now got the road closed, all ready for the train, and here it comes. See the traffic underneath the other side, all ready to run me over. And this is the traffic chaos that comes behind it. Oh, this man's got... What's he got on board? How unusual.
That's it for it.
Wow, that was brilliant.